Hello friends, let's talk about Sun in the 7th house of Aries ascendant. This is an Aries ascendant because number 1 is written in the first house, which is the sign of Aries. Sun is the lord of the 5th house, which is the sign Leo, and Sun is placed in the 7th house in the 7th sign, which is Libra. One very important thing to remember here is that Sun becomes debilitated or niche in the sign of Libra. But in this particular ascendant, Sun gets a niche bhang yog or a cancellation of debilitation. So in case anyone tells you that your Sun in this position is debilitated, please do not believe them. I will cover this video under two parts. In the first part, I will cover the results of Sun in this position, and in the second part, I will cover the remedies or upayas or precautions to be followed in life to get better results from Sun. To understand the result of Sun in 7th house, we must remember one thing mainly, that Sun represents the king. A king is always impressive looking, always well dressed, and a king has authority in his voice. The 7th house represents our spouse, our husband or our wife. So the person's spouse will have a behavior like a king. The spouse will be always well dressed. They will keep themselves updated. They will have an impressive personality. They will have a magnetic personality. They will have authority in their voice. The spouse will be from a good family background, a high class family background. The spouse will always maintain themselves in a good condition so that no one can ever find a fault with them. They will maintain their house also in a similar manner. Everything in the house will be kept at its proper place, and the house will always be found spick and span. This authority in the voice of the spouse, and also because the spouse will have a lot of self-confidence and ego, this will mean that between the husband and wife there will be ego tussles and differences because of ego. The 5th house represents our love affairs, and the 7th house indicates our marriage. And so the lord of the love affairs has moved into the house of marriage, and therefore it is likely that the person may have a love marriage in this case. The first child of the person during the period of the Sun will have to undergo a lot of travels, short travels, and the child will be involved in communication and all activities requiring communication, requiring writing skills, requiring speaking skills, such as being an editor, being a writer, and these type of activities. On the other hand, the child could also be keeping himself or herself very busy online in internet activities on social media. The father of the person will have long travels, especially the travels can be regarding religious activities or they can be religious trips, and the father of the person will profit and gain during the period of the Sun. The father will generally have all benefits, and the father will make new friends. The father may also begin working for some kind of welfare organizations, some NGOs or non-profit organizations during this period. Sun, being a male planet, will give his blessings to the person to have a second child, which will be a male child. The wife and business partner of the person, in case he has any business partner, both these people will also gain during this period. To get best results of Sun in this position in your horoscope, do not run away from your responsibilities. Accept and fulfill your responsibilities willingly and happily. This will give you a lot of monetary gains and growth of your family. Also, before starting a new venture, beginning a new journey, put a little bit of sugar in your mouth and swallow it with water. This will increase the auspiciousness and benefits of that new journey or new venture. However, in case you are diabetic or have some issues with having sweets, in that case, you can have only water before beginning these things. That's all for now. Thank you.